Welcome to Indochina Motorbike Tours, your premier destination for unforgettable motorbike adventures across Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. Indochina Motorbike Tours was founded by Mr. Dong, a passionate motorbike enthusiast with a vision to explore and share the hidden gems of Southeast Asia. Our journey began over a decade ago, and since then, we've grown into a leading tour operator renowned for our expertise and personalized service, our dedicated team of experienced guides, skilled mechanics, and reliable drivers ensures every trip is safe, enjoyable, and memorable. We specialize in organizing bespoke motorbike tours that cater to all levels of riders. Our tours are designed to offer an authentic and immersive experience. Our services include guided tours, bike rentals, and custom tour planning to suit your preferences and schedule. Each tour is a unique journey, showcasing the natural beauty and cultural richness of the region. Our tours cover extensive ground across Indochina. In Vietnam, explore the highlands, coastlines, and historical sites. In Laos, traverse the tranquil countryside and ancient cities, and in Cambodia, experience the charm of rural life and iconic landmarks. Our goal is to connect you with the heart and soul of each destination. At Indochina Motorbike Tours, our vision is to be the leading provider of motorbike tours in Southeast Asia, known for our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Our mission is to offer extraordinary travel experiences that respect local cultures and environments. We believe in sustainable tourism that benefits both travelers and the communities we visit. By promoting local economies and supporting poverty alleviation, we aim to make a positive impact. Our focus is on green, eco-friendly tourism that preserves and protects the environment. Let us take you on a ride through some of the most beautiful and diverse landscapes on Earth. Your journey of a lifetime awaits. Special thanks to our dedicated team, experienced guides, and valued customers who make each journey possible.